everyone, in this video we are going to see the another types of your alphanumeric series. We'll go to the question. They give set of series, one set of series, and four of the following are alike in a certain way based on their position. Based on their position, they give any, that is, group of some values. Okay, based on their position, they give some values in the above arrangement, and so form a group which is the one that does not belong to that group. Okay, first of all, you want to take the group of values which is nothing but your options. Okay, KM5. First we need to identify the what type of position this. Here KM, K is here M5. KM5. So K and in between have two letters, M and 5 in between have one letters. 8TU. 8TU. Similarly, 8 and T having two letters skipped between 8 and T. Similarly, T and U having one letter between them. Okay, next group is, this both are equal. 5EJ. 5 here, E is here, J. So 5EJ. 5 and E having two letters between them, and E and J there is no nil. E, the next letter, immediate next letter of E is J. So according to this group, this is the different based on their position. This is the different. Option C is your answer. We can check with D also. For your confirmation, I can check with D also. 6A2. What is your 6A2? So 6A2. 6 and A having two letters, A and 2 having one letters. Okay, so the remaining are having the same relationships based on their position except this option C. So answer is option C. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Four of the following are alike in a certain way based on their position in the above arrangement, and so form a group which is the one that does not belong to that group. So as usual, from your option 5N1. Where is your 5? 5N1. So 5 skipped one letters between N and forwarded direction. So before proceeded with two letters, that is 1. So 5 and 1 having the two letters, that is -2, you can identify like this, +1. Next plus 1 want to add one more letter, and this is we want to subtract, in between it is subtracted and backward direction. So 1. Similarly, V percentage 1. Where is V? This is percentage and this is 1. Okay, V percentage 1. Then next 2PB. Where is your 2? Here 2PB. Listen carefully. 2PB. So now also we can able to find the answer itself. 2. The 2 after 2, one letter skipped. The B is appeared here. For 2, before 2 letter was skipped and B is available here. So -2. So these are equal except this one is differ. So according to this question, option B does not belong to this group. Okay, based on their position. Only one option does not belong to this group. Okay. Yeah, this is the way to finding the difference of that one which does not belong to the given group. Okay, thank you for watching.